Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As part of learning JavaScript, we are actually discussing about data types. So in the previous video, we covered about number data type and its static properties. So in this video, we'll discuss about static methods of a number. So here you are seeing six methods for a number. So I hope you know about static means. Static means default. So JavaScript engine is providing default by default some methods for the number. So these are the six methods for the number. I will explain you each method. Let's jump into the code. Here I have written all the methods. So you can see here. So first method is nan. So I have written here some code for that. So isNaN method, what it will do. So in your application, you will have different kind of data types, right? So if you are working with a different kind of data types, so if you want to know whether the data type is a number or number type or other than the number, so there you can use this isNaN method. So I will show you. See, I will pass the value 2. 2 is a number type. Number, right? Number data type in it's a number. So that's why it is printing it's a number type. So if I pass this as a string to, what it will do? It will print as a number. Why? Why? Because you already covered the concept about coercion, right? So there it will convert string into number. Okay. So that's why we are getting this as a number type. So I will apply here some random string. So we can see here. So we have applied, we have passed the random string into the isNaN method. So it is printing, it's not a number, right? Because it's not a number, it's a string. I hope you understood about this method. So now what I will do is directly I will write nan only. So nan means not a number. Not a number means some value is there, but that value is not a number. So to identify that thing, we are using isNaN method. I hope you understood about this isNaN method. Let's jump into the next method. Next method is infinite. Infinite. Okay, here I have written some code for that. So is infinite method what it will do? So this method will identify whether the input is number or not. Okay. Next thing is whether the input is integer, positive integer or negative integer or not a number completely. All these things it can identify. So I will explain you all these things. See here I am applying, I am passing one variable y and for that I have assigned 1 by 0. It's a division operation. So 1 by 0 means what? See, you can see here line number. Uh, sorry. Yeah, you can see here 1 by 0 means infinity. So what it is returning? It is returning false. So if you pass 1 by 1, sorry, what it will do? 1 by 1 means what? 1 by 1 means what? 1, and it is returning true. Before it was written false, now it is returning true. What it means? So it is identifying that input whether that is a number or not. Next it is doing that whether that number is infinite number or not an infinite number. So if it is a infinite number, it is throwing as a false. It is returning as a false. If it is a finite number, if it is a finite number, it is throwing as returning as a true value. I hope you understood. If the input is infinite, it is returning as false. If it is a finite number, it is returning as true. Okay, I hope you understood about this is infinite method. Let's jump into the next method. Next method is integer. So the method name itself, it is telling whether the input is integer or not. We are going to identify using this method. That's it. So here I have passed one division operation 2 by 4. So here you can see line number 177. So it's not a integer. It is telling it's not a integer. Okay. Okay. Then we'll change this 8 by 4. It is integer. I hope you understood about this is integer method. Okay. If you are working with numbers in your application for developing any feature or anything, you can use all these 6 methods. So remaining methods I will tell you in the next video. Thank you.